Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to download the files to the local system in the Node.js in the Dropbox. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically downloading the Dropbox files to the local system with Node.js. So let's have a look. So this is the code that we have built. So bootstrap this. Okay, so little fs isomorphic fetch Dropbox. Okay, so this is initialize the Dropbox instance with your ss token. So function to download the file from the Dropbox download file. Here we have the path and the local path. Okay, so file gets temporary link from the, so this is the function of the dbx, right? And here we have with the response.result.link download the file. Okay, so let's console this url also. Okay, download the file. So await fetch file url, await file response buffer, then write file sync will write the into your local system. So here we have the Dropbox file. So here we have to add the file whatever we have upload. So let's suppose, so this is the file, right? Free. So I'm going to open this like this, and this is my file name. Okay, this is that one. Just copy this. I want to just download this one. Okay, so let's delete this, and where I need to update will like this. So same file name I will add over here. Okay, done. File path and everything, download the file function. Okay, let's try to hit it up, clear this, and here we go with this one. Okay, so the file is downloaded successfully. If I go and check this one, here you can see, right? So this is there. Okay, so if I just go back and come back, it now it will, where it is, there would be a letter, right? So where I have uploads, why it's not seeing me currently? I have opened, no? Okay, this is that one. Okay, fine. Okay, and we have the link also. Let's open the link, and here you can see by the link also it is download. Okay, whenever you can just click on that, it will automatically download, right? So this is how you can just download the any of the file from the Dropbox with the specific name. If you want to list all the files and download all the files one time, then I need to check with that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.